oswafo ya wono en wo hwefo mu agudie tuo ana sensase ni mu adodode wo nsam nyina so no wone amanfo atwetwe nkomo na na ye kwan ya ofa so ma Ghana fo hunu anamo wa wono mu atuo efa efo mu agudie tuo a na mra kwan so no kwan ya wo mu fa so atu ase na sade Adom Kasee edi akire bi ni
to deal with illegal small-scale mining. Thus, river bodies remain red zones for mining, while recognizant prospecting and/or exploration in forest reserves continue to be suspended, except in exceptional circumstances. 5 speed boats have been procured to patrol our river bodies. We are also implementing the minerals and mineral operations tracking of earth-moving and mining equipment regulations 2020. LI 2404, and we expect to track some 4,000 excavators and other earth-moving equipment. So far, a control room has been established at the Minerals Commission headquarters, and 75 excavators at various mine sites have been installed with tracking devices. We continue to promote responsible small-scale mining through community mining schemes. Last year, 14 of these schemes were commissioned, and last month, I commissioned the first community mining for the year in Bongoso in the Bongo district of the Upper East region. In the coming days, new community mining schemes will be commissioned in Bole in the Savannah region, Wa in the Upper West region, and Nangruma in the Northeast region. All these schemes are supported with gold catchers to help small-scale miners extract gold from the ore without the use of mercury, thereby being in accord with the Minamata Convention on Mercury. The National Alternative Employment and Livelihood Program, which President Akufo-Addo launched in 2021, is also being implemented to provide alternative sources of livelihood to illegal miners. The program employs several youths in the production of seedlings and reclamation of degraded mine lands. Currently, reclamation is ongoing in over 1,000 hectares of degraded lands in Ashanti, Eastern, and Western regions. This year, the apprenticeship, skills training, and entrepreneurship model of the program will be rolled out and is expected to provide training for some 5,000 youth in agriculture, technical, vocational, industrial, and mining skills. These gamut of measures have yielded some positive results, with most of our river bodies visibly clearing up and the turbidity levels improving. Ladies and gentlemen, that is not to suggest that we have rid our country of illegal mining. We have not. As we speak, the cartels involved in these illegalities continue to operate and are finding every means to outwit us. But we will continue to adopt the necessary measures to ensure that we come to grips with this canker. Let me assure the country, on behalf of the President of the Republic, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, that we will not relent on our efforts in this noble undertaking. Development of mining communities. Ladies and gentlemen, the Minerals Development Fund continues to provide financial resources from mineral royalties for the benefit of mining communities. 21 local management committees, LMCs, have been inaugurated across the country, and 28 projects are being undertaken by these LMCs. In addition to the above, the fund, through its Alternative Livelihood Program, has distributed over 11.6 million hybrid oil palm seedlings to some 48,000 farmers across mining communities in the country. The fund also continues to support research institutions to undertake research into mining and build local capacity for the mining industry. Apieti reconstruction. Following the tragic Apieti incident on 20th January 2022, government committed to reconstruct the community into a modern, green, and sustainable community as a model for rural development in our country. Construction began last year, and the first phase of the project is about 40% complete. This phase includes the construction of 124 housing units made up of 2 to 7 bedroom houses, a school block with sanitary facilities, and the construction of roads within the community. 106 of the housing units and a 6-unit classroom block are at different stages of completion, with some being roofed as we speak. We are hoping to move the victims of this tragic incident from their temporary accommodations back to their community before the end of the year. The recommendations of the Health and Safety Committee established after the incident, chaired by the Vice Chancellor of George Park Grant University of Mines and Technology, UMAT, Professor Richard Amankwa, are also being implemented and has led to a lot of reforms in the sector. A comprehensive review of the regulations on explosives, the Minerals and Mining Explosives Regulations 2012, LI 2177, has also been completed and will soon be laid before Parliament. The forestry sector, forest protection and enhancement. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, our timber and timber products export increased significantly from 302,183.04 cubic meters in 2021 to 343,440.081 cubic meters in 2022.